Muhammad Sharafi. My matching number is 205566. So today I will plant spinach, which is kangkung, with two different way to technique, which is direct seeding from the soil and hydroponic technique. So we will see the result from both of the technique. So just wait and see. Bye. Thank you.
Preparation of tools and materials for planting direct from the soil and hydroponic. For direct seeding from the soil, the first one we need black soil, and then we need polybag. After that, we need mini shovel, and then we need plastic gloves, and then last but not least, we need seed of the spinach. Okay, for the hydroponic set, we need green basin and cover tray, fertilizer A and B, net pot. After that, we need flannel cloth, and then we need germination sponge. And then last but not least, we need seed of spinach. Okay, and then the procedures of planting direct from the soil and hydroponic. First, put the soil inside the polybag. Then we use only one figure to make a small hole and make sure they have space between each other. Then, we put 2 seeds of spinach in each of the hole. And then we close the hole back by using the black soil. Then we water the plant. For hydroponic, I mix 5 liters of plain water with 25 ml fertilizer A and 25 ml fertilizer B. Then I put the mixed solution inside the basin. I put the cover tray on the top of the basin, put the flannel cloth in between the bottom of the net pot, then put the germination sponge in each of the net pot. After that, put it in the space of the cover tray. Make sure the germination sponge always wet. Last but not least, put the seed in each of the net pot. So here is the day 4. And then day 6. When I see my plants started to grow, I put some of the fertilizer to the plants, and then I water the plants. So here is the result of the week 2. And then for the week 3. After that, week 4. Basically, I will measure my plants very proper, not like in the video. In the video, it's just purpose of the recording. Thank you. When I see my growth of the plant is quite late, so I decided to transfer the plant from polybag to the pot, and then I asked my father to help me to transfer the plants. Week 5 of hydroponic. week 5 of direct seeding from the soil. So alhamdulillah, I can see that my plants growing so well inside the pot. Time to harvest the plants. On week 6, it is my harvest day of my kangkung. So the first video is harvest from the hydroponic, and then the second video is harvest from the direct seeding from the soil, and then I wash my kangkung, and then the result of my kangkung. So we will go into the problems and solutions. The problem is the plants either get too much or too little sunlight for the polybag, and then the plants get too much water because of raining for polybag. Not enough fertilizer being fed to the plants for polybag, and then not increase the amount of fertilizer A and B to the plants for hydroponic. And last but not least, fertilizer is not placed around the plants. That is for the polybag. So the solutions for the problems are move the plants to the place with direct sunlight, or move the pot to the place with less sunlight for polybag, and then move the plants to the covered place for polybag also. And then put fertilizer with the correct amount based on the growth of plants for polybag. Increase the amount of fertilizer A and B to the plants for hydroponic. Last but not least, place the fertilizer around the pot or polybag away from the plants to prevent burnt tree trunks from being exposed to fertilizer. This is for polybag. That's all from me. Thank you so much.